Look what I did last night, or yesterday. Got in an accident. Funny thing was, I was driving my van. See, the door doesn't shut properly. I was driving the van and I hit my car. So I wrecked 2 vehicles. I don't know.
I want to try drilling into a rock.
You want to try drilling into a rock?
Yeah.
See this type of drill bit? This is a wood drill bit.
I can't screw rocks.
It's good for soft stuff like wood and plastic. If you put that into a rock, it'll just make it really dull and then it won't work.
Very good.
It won't work very good. Okay, you ready? What we're doing today, we're gonna take the drill, we're gonna drill some holes, we're gonna stick this back on, and then we're gonna use the zip ties to hold the 2 pieces together. You got it?
Can I use
Okay,
the drill?
so I'll give you that.
Oh, it's heavy.
It's heavy, hold on.
Where do I put the hole?
We're gonna try and line it up a little bit and put a hole right there.
Okay.
So you're gonna have to go straight on like this. Yep.
Okay, I'll do it by myself.
Okay, I'll help. You pull bigger. Okay, good. And then let's do one right next to it, right there. Keep going. There we go. Oh, there is. And this one, let's make sure we're all the way through. Okay, good. We're all the way through. Okay, you hold that. Let's not drop it. So let's do another one, maybe. Maybe we should do one through that hole. Okay, put one right through here. Okay, you gotta go straight on. Not paying attention. Okay, you missed it. Here. You hold the camera.
It's heavy.
Is it heavy? Okay, you point it right here.
I'm pointing it.
There you go. Okay, good. Now let's put the stitch in. Oh, that's great. You're holding it right so you can see all the holes. That's awesome.
Like, you see the zip tie?
You can see the zip tie? Excellent. Might start with this one because this looks like it might be the hardest one. You pointing this? You pointing at the holes? You see the zip tie?
Nope. Your arm is in the
My
way.
arm is in the way.
Now it's not.
Now it's not. Okay, good.
Now your hand's in the way.
Oh, my hand's always in the way.
And see the
There we
zip
go.
tie a little bit.
See the zip tie a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm gonna just do this one up. I'm not gonna do these up very tight yet because I'm gonna wait till the, here you can come look at this one. So I'm just gonna do those up a little bit and leave them loose until I get the rest of them in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put zip ties all the way along this crack. Probably won't do it either. I got the light for that. They are in place. Now I'm gonna get this to its final sitting zone and do it all up. Job done. It looks pretty good, I think. Turned out pretty well. Today we are picking up a new bumper for the BMW. You saw the zip tie fix. We did that. It turned out really good. Kai did a lot of help on that, drilling holes, putting some zip ties in. That was a nice temporary fix. Because we're going to be painting this car, doing a wrap, and going kind of all out now, because we can. So, found a bumper on...
Who are you talking to, Dad?
I'm talking to the people that are watching the video on YouTube and Facebook. You want to say hi? Your friends?
Hi.
Your friends might be watching this.
Hi. Like my Liam and Caleb?
Yeah, probably Liam and Caleb. Shout out to Liam and Caleb.
Liam and Caleb! Do they hear me?
Yeah, they can hear you. So we're gonna pick up a bumper. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Guess what? We got a bumper.
Yes, we do.
Where is it?
Right
Yeah,
there.
there it is. Look at that. We got a We got a black one. Oh, so $100 for a used bumper. I should have probably took some. I'll take some more pictures of it out of the car so we can get a better look at it. But what do you think? Is it nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice and clean. Just like a little tiny scratch on it, but came with bumper supports and stuff. It's pretty mint. We're gonna have a pretty nice car when this is all done. All right. So you can see, got the new bumper here. Pretty decent. It's not perfect, but I mean, some scratches and stuff. But again, $100, and it comes with the inner pieces here, so it's good. Well, you know it's a good day because it is time for bumper replacement. We are finally getting rid of this grody one here, and we are putting it on. I think we started this video like 2 years ago, but it is finally time to get this bumper on. So excited. So I think there are 3 screws holding on these supports, boop, 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 and then it just comes off. We'll see. I have the trunk exposed, and you can see right in here, right next to that Octane Monkey branded shirt is the first bolt. So there's 1, 2, and 3. I think this should be 5-minute job max. I'll see you in 6 hours. Oh, too easy. This is gonna be too easy. So there we have it. New bumper installed. Easy job. It really was 10 or 15 minutes. 3 bolts on each side, so 6 bolts. Especially if you have a used bumper like that comes with all the parts on it and the pieces. I would highly recommend this as a easy peasy job. So if you hit your bumper up drifting or racing or whatever, no big deal. Just go to the junkyard, get one, and slap her on. Do you want to say thanks for watching the video?
No, Dad.
Yeah?
No, let's just keep on working and put some P on here and some glue and then P to, and then glue the P to here and then P will stick on the car.
Why don't you say to the camera, why don't you yell into the camera, that's the end?
Nothing.
Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, go watch 2 more. And if you like those ones, subscribe. Did you know you can get Octane Monkey gear at octanemonkey.com? That's right, we got shirts, hats, stickers, even car parts. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.